If you need to update a game on itch.io, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quick and simple way to check for updates using itch.io so you can make sure your game is current without wasting time. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides. Now let's get into it. First, open itch.io and make sure you're signed in to the account that has the game in your library. Once you're on the site, go to your library. This is where all of your purchased, claimed, or installed games are listed, and it's the best place to manage updates. Next, look through your library and find the game you want to update. When you found it, right-click on the game. This will open up a menu with a few different options. From that menu, click Check for Updates. itch.io will now begin checking whether there's a newer version available for that game. If an update is available, you'll be able to download it or proceed with the update process, depending on how that game was published and installed. If there isn't an update yet, the app or library view may simply tell you that the game is already up to date. That's all there is to it. The process is very fast, and once you know where to click, you can check for updates anytime in just a few seconds. This is especially useful if you follow indie games closely or want to make sure you're always playing the latest version. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.